Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to the project. We got some leather. We're gonna make a card holder out of this Vegetang Glowforge proof grade material leather. I got a big one, cover my face. I got a small one right here. This one you do your little practicing on right here. Then you take the big one and then you use this one to like really get to it. But we're gonna make a wallet. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right down there. Hit that before you go any further. Guaranteed, you will be satisfied. Here's the design right here. This is what I came up with. It's just gonna have one card slot on each side. So I decided to put Mallory on one side and Christiana on the other side. These are my two daughters because they didn't want to take the most of my money. These two right here is going to be the middle part. These are going to be the two card slots on the outside that I'm going to put inside of this part. You see where I got this blue line right here? This is the same as this one right here, so I can line it up easily. And all of the holes is where I'm going to use to stitch the thread through. I hope that makes sense. Hey, here we go. Got all the settings right. Thick natural leather right up here. We got it right. That's what the little barcode right here says. We got the engraved settings right here. Yeah, we're going to do it like that. We got the score. Yeah, we're going to score them lines and everything else. It's cut. Ready. 17 minutes, 35 seconds. Okay, I got all of the holes cleared. First thing we have to do is put some of this protector on there. Make sure you always use protection. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I got this leather stitching pony. I got this off of Amazon. I finally finished sewing it all together, as you can see right there. And now I'm about to use this Eco Flow stuff right here. This tool right here to do the burnishing thing. There you have it. I just finished up my first wallet. I know a couple things that I did learn about this wallet. I can like space the holes out because it took a long time to sew it together. And another thing was I used all natural thick leather. Maybe I should use the thin leather on the side right here. Also, I think I should burnish those parts just like I did this part, because this is a lot smoother than this is kind of like sharp to the edge, and this is a lot smoother. But overall, I think I did a really good job. And if you think I did a good job, leave me a W in the comments right now. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project.